Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Cake Pop in the birthday cake flavor. So this right here is the birthday cake pop, which is a pretty popular option at Starbucks. It's one of my favorite treats because it's birthday cake in a really small, easy to consume format. You don't get a whole lot of, like, when you eat a big birthday cake, it's, a big piece and you kind of feel gross afterwards. With a little cake pop like this, you don't. So one of my favorites, 160 calories or so. It's got like birthday cake icing, sprinkles, and it's birthday cake ice or birthday cake. So I'm gonna get right into it. That was the least elegant eating of a cake pop ever. I fell apart. Should have been paying better attention. The cake itself is actually it's really good. It's the opposite of dry. I'm not going to say a word with starts with M, but it's not dry. Really good, tasting flavorful. Real good. So cake pops, one of my favorite things because it's small, easy to eat, and you usually don't spill it all over yourself. It's nice in the regard that if you want a small little snack, you can get this without getting something bigger like their coffee cake from Starbucks or any of the other options, because this is kind of small, goes well with the coffee, doesn't have too many calories. It's pretty nice. So the birthday cake pop from Starbucks, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it an 8.5. I really like the taste of the cake. Good texture, easy to eat, convenient, and lower calories for a snack. So really nice. I like it a lot. Birthday cake pop from Starbucks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.